This is unacceptable, Divash. You are very late for class.
Sorry, teacher. I actually had some work. You remember the bags that I made during the summer vacation?
Oh yeah, the ones that you gave me, right?
Yep.
Have you started making them again?
Not quite. I had actually rented my neighbor's garage to make and store those bags.
Oh, sounds like you incurred some cost for rent.
Yes, but I hadn't paid the rent completely, so I had gone to my neighbor's to settle the payment.
Is that the reason you are late?
Yep, and to add to that, my neighbor didn't let me leave without trying out the cake she was baking. I had to wait until the cake was ready, as I didn't want to be rude.
I'll let you off the hook this time. But let me ask you a question. If you have to record the rent expense that you paid today, in which period would you record it?
I paid the rent today, so I will probably record it today, right? Am I wrong?
Of course! Regardless of when you make the payment, the expenses need to be recorded as soon as they are incurred.
Oops! That means the rent expense incurred in a particular period should be recorded in that period itself and not in the one when I make the payment.
Yup, that's right. The date of the payment is only used in the cash system of accounting. However, we use an accrual basis of accounting.
What's that?
According to the accrual basis of accounting, revenue is recorded as it is earned and expenses are recorded as they are incurred.
Oh, isn't that similar to the matching principle?
Yes, the matching principle is associated with the accrual basis of accounting and adjusting entries.
Oh, okay. By the way, what are adjusting entries?
Adjusting entries are the entries which are made on the last day of an accounting period, so that the financial statement of a business complies with the accrual basis of accounting.
I'm a bit confused. Why do we need those entries?
Well, you know that businesses don't always deal with just cash, right?
Oh yeah, a lot of transactions are done on a credit basis.
That's right. Specifically speaking, a business may have several outstanding incomes and expenses at the end of an accounting period. Similarly, it could have made some prepayment for its expenses or received income in advance.
Alright, and how are they related to adjusting entries?
Well, we make adjusting entries in order to adjust for all these. As it is a very important concept, let me explain it to you in detail.
That would be great.
We need to note that the accrual basis of accounting requires the revenue to be recorded as it is earned and expenses to be recorded as they are incurred. In doing so, the income statement will report the revenues which have been earned and the losses and expenses incurred during that particular accounting period. Similarly, the statement of financial position will report the receivables that are yet to be received and the liabilities it has incurred at the end of the accounting period.
That means we need to report both the income and expenses of a particular period in the same accounting period.
That's right. We don't focus on the receipts and payments of cash for reporting revenue and expenses.
Oh, now I get it. I presume the accrual basis of accounting is an attempt to provide a more accurate measure of the company's profitability during an accounting period.
Correct. It also ensures a more accurate picture of the company's assets and liabilities.